Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. All the animals were afraid of him because of his loud roar. But one day, Leo heard a tiny cry. He followed the sound and found a baby goat who was lost and scared. "Please don't eat me," she cried. And Leo felt a pang of sympathy. "Why are you alone, little one?" he asked, and the goat explained that she'd wandered away from her herd. "I'm lost," she said, and Leo's heart melted. He couldn't bear to see such a cute little goat crying, so he offered to help her find her way home. As they walked, the little goat, whose name was Bella, chatted happily, and Leo, who had always been feared, felt a new emotion, joy. They soon reached Bella's herd, and the other goats gasped in fear when they saw Leo. But Bella, who was now safe, ran to her mother and told her about Leo's kindness. From that day on, Leo and Bella became the best of friends. The lion, who had once been feared by all the animals in the forest, was now loved by them all, and everyone lived happily ever after.